Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle, this is Brampton Gardener, and today is April 25th, which means it's another update video for the Container Herb Garden Challenge. Is Coldhardy. It has been planted outside for the last couple of weeks. I'm up here in Sunset 5E68 Canada, and it's doing just fine. Oh, here we go. This is I'm pretty sure this is the edible chrysanthemum, because that's what that looks like. So there's an update for my grow off. There is the edible chrysanthemum. It's a mint from my container growing challenge. There's two of them. This one looks like something got into it. It's possible something got into these. They were tucked around on the other side, or just the wind. My Piccolino Basil. Here we go, Piccolino Basil. Yay. This one's too buried in there. And since parsley is cold hardy, we stuck the parsley outside and it is doing just fine as well. So here, my first round of borage did not sprout, so I went in with another 5 seeds, and I have 3 of the 5 sprouting, so yay, borage!